Presenting a pre-owned 2021 Jaguar. This two-door coupe has a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable O transmission. This Jaguar is a steal with less than 6,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and keyless entry.